Hello guys. So in this class I decided to show you the results that we have achieved from the strategies that I have shared in the course, and this is the final class and it's fourth month of 2021 and we were making this course on first month of 2021. So far it's been 4 months and you can see in the previous classes that when we were recording this course we were at 260,000 monthly viewers. Okay, and now today I'm going to show you, this is the fourth month and you can see the date on my screen that this is 22nd April, and I'm going to show you the results within the 4 months. So let me show you the results first. So here you can see, guys, we have finally achieved at 2.5 monthly viewers. You can see at the top left corner of my screen. Let me take you to the dashboard so you can see it properly, that how much we have grown within 4 months. So you can see the stats over here, guys. We have achieved 2.5 million impressions and the growth percentage is 121%. We have got 6.1k saves and 242% growth. In outbound clicks we have got 198% growth. So you can see, guys, we are claiming 1 million impressions within 2 months, and within 4 months of period we have achieved 2.5 million impressions. So you can see it over here as well. It's 2.5 monthly views and 7.7k followers. So you are aware that in the course I didn't talk to you about followers, like you should do follow for follow. Okay, I'm not doing that, but it's getting automatically, followers coming automatically. And on Pinterest, follower doesn't matter. The thing that matters is views, monthly views. Okay, so let me refresh it once again and let me show you that these are actual stats and these are not like screenshots or anything like that. So I have just refreshed my screen and you can see 2.5 monthly views, 2.5 million monthly views with 7.7k followers, and you can see it over here as well. The percentages are still same: 2.5 million, 121% growth, 242% growth, and 198% growth. So guys, if you follow my strategies, you will definitely get these results. And these are the actual stats that you can achieve also with the strategies that I have shared in the course. And if you like my course, so please leave comment, leave good reviews. And if you have any questions, you can ask questions directly to me. There is an option in the course as well. I'll try to answer all of your questions, and I hope you like the course. So if you like the course and you think that your friend or family, someone who you know needs this course, so please share it to them. I hope you get the great results. So best of luck for your Pinterest account.